Welcome back to our SDL2 tutorial series in C. So for this log, we're going to create a window and learn about the main event loop. So this lesson will take it a step further by drawing shapes and handling keyboard input. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a CMake file, and CMake file will handle the creation of executable file and linking the libraries. So here for our main code in the main file, so we're going to start with including the SDL2 for the graphics and input, so stdio for the error messages, and stdpool for the true and false instead of ones and zero. So first is we initialize SDL with the video subsystem. Then we create a window with a size of 800 by 600 pixels, and it will going to center that window, and then we're going to give it the title of drawing shape and input or plus input. Next is we create a renderer. The renderer is what allows us to draw things like rectangles, textures, and images. We'll use hardware acceleration when available. Now we set up our main loop. It runs until the user quits. Inside, we'll handle events, update game states, and render graphics. We process event with SDL poll event. If the user clicks the close button or presses the escape key, we exit the loop. We also check the current state of the keyboard. This lets us move our rectangle continuously as long as the arrow keys are held down. Pressing up moves the rectangle up. Pressing up moves the rectangle up. Pressing down moves it down, and so on. Now it's time to draw. We first clear the screen with a dark or black background, and then we set the draw color to red and fill it our rectangle. Finally, we present the renderer, which displays everything on the window. To make sure our program doesn't run too fast, we delay for about 60 milliseconds per frame. That gives us roughly 60 frames per second. At the end, we destroy the renderer, destroy the window, and quit SDL to free all the resources properly. And that's it. You just created your first interactive program in SDL2 with C. You now know how to handle input and draw shapes.